Yeah! Jeff, you know what time it is? It's sugar rush time.
Great.
It's candy time. It's like Halloween time. Tis the season
Yes.
to blast candy out of a potato cannon. So we decided, like, okay, what candy would be best shot out of a potato cannon? And I have no idea. So we bought a bunch of candy, and we're gonna find out what looks good. So what I'm thinking first is we need to get some wadding down in the barrels.
Okay.
So we can pour candy down in there and it doesn't just fall all the way down.
Yep.
What are we gonna start with first?
Let's start with some Skittles.
Okay.
We're gonna put like multiple per.
Yeah, let's put a whole bag per barrel. This barrel and this one. Oh yeah, check that out.
That sounds menacing.
It is a shotgun after all.
Oh my God.
Bam. Okay, I'm gonna start charging it up. You think it's gonna work?
I'm terrified. Absolutely terrified.
Skittle powder everywhere here in just a second.
Oh God.
All right, so that's about 150 PSI shooting 2 barrels of Skittles at this window. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! They actually ricocheted off the trees. Holy smokes. Wow, look at that. Oh, look, you can see it. Here, let me zoom in over here.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, what do you think, Jeff?
That is. I mean, thankfully it didn't shatter it, but it still is. It just is jammed, like caked in there.
Oh, wow, it really is like way caked in there. Yeah,
What in
look
the
at
hell
that.
are we doing?
All right, so Jeff, Skittles, approved
Yes.
potato cannon shot.
Yes.
Okay. Let's get some more of this going. You pick the next candy. We can do Whoppers, Nerds.
Ooh, Whoppers.
Wow.
Do you want one package for
Yep.
each? Okay.
Yep. Wow. So that was very effective.
Remarkably.
That was a lot. Oh, that is a bad sound. Oh, 150. All right. So 150 PSI. Jeff, your fuel focus right there. Oh no!
No!
That was dumb. 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, lesson learned there. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, close your eyes. Wow, just a vapor. Just a vapor of what were those? Whoppers?
Whopper.
Just Whopper dust. Whopper dust everywhere. Okay, Jeff. What's the next candy?
Nerds.
Nerds. Well, come on over. Help me nerd it.
That is kind of what I was thinking.
So I guess we got to keep up with the rankings. Which one do you think was better, the Skittles or the Whoppers?
The Skittles for sure.
Okay.
Skittles for sure.
Okay. I'll go along with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very official testing.
Very official.
Oh yeah. Pink in that barrel. Okay. Hopefully my daughter's not too mad about me stealing some Halloween candy from her. Sorry, Lillian. Okay. Well, that sounds awful. I nearly dumped them out. So yeah, we're about 155 right there.
Okay, Cory, wait. It's not birdshot, it's nerd shot.
Nerd shot. Yeah, we got loaded with nerd shot. In 3, 2, 1. More powder. More powder. Wow. Okay. All right. So where do we rank that one? Nerds.
Oh boy.
That one was, it was very cool, but I think less impressive.
Yes.
Just because they're small and
Less-
they just
yeah,
vaporize.
Yeah,
and-
visually it was less so. I'm still on Team Skittles.
Yeah, Skittles were scary. Because they were like ricocheting up in the trees. They were like still together after hitting the windshield.
Yes.
Like leaves were falling out of the trees from Skittle shot. Maybe the trees were just scared. They were like, oh no, if they're shooting Skittles. All right, load me up these 2 barrels, please. Wow, okay. That's a lot of M&M shot. I like it.
Yep.
You a peanut M&M kind of guy, or almond, or are you just straight M&Ms like a heathen?
I'm not a huge candy guy in general, to
Yeah,
be
me either.
fair. But you know.
But you're so sweet. All right, let's charge it up. Candy. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Like, they didn't even melt. There's like no chocolate. They just. There is. I see like this. I see this misting of M&M powder. I don't know what it is. Chocolate dust just floating over Jeff. And you can see like all over the car is just candy dust. Look at that. Here, let me borrow that right quick. Let me. Look at that. You can see all those dust particles from
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
the candy. Wow.
Go to chill.
Yeah, well, that's a lot. All right, Jeff, we're gonna do one final test right quick. We wanted to see what it looked like actually shooting from far away. So we got M&M's loaded up. Let's do it. All right. We on the car? All right. In 3, 2, 1. Crap. They're still raining down. I don't want to be shot by that, Jeff. I think we're good. I think candy's bad. Don't shoot candy out of potato candy. I think that's where we gotta leave. Don't do that, Jeff. Camera's covered candy dust.
That was hilarious on the M&M. So it's just like you could see just this misty.
Jeff,
Cory.
oh my God, we tested candy in a potato tater tot shotgun. What is the verdict? What is the best candy to shoot out of a potato cannon during the holiday season? It's very important. You have those kids coming on your porch, you know? Not all of them you like. So you give them the crappy candy. You don't shoot it at them, Jeff. Where were you thinking? I think you were thinking something terrible, Jeff. You just give them the crappy candy.
Yeah.
You keep all the good ammo for yourself.
You give them the Twizzlers.
You give them Twizzlers.
And you keep the
And
Skittles.
nerds. Yes, you definitely keep the Skittles. So I think we got to rank Skittles as number 1. That was ultra scary.
Yep.
They shot. They still stayed together to some extent.
They buried themselves in the
windshield.
yeah.
In the lining. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what should we test next? You got any ideas?
I'm thinking
Maybe somebody else will give us an idea of what to shoot out of a potato cannon.
it's a better idea.
I like that idea.
Yeah. Let us know.
That's it.